Right now, a new YouTube Shorts segment is emerging that's getting millions of views and making people thousands of dollars a month. And the best part? It's so simple and costs zero to get started. To be completely honest, this is the easiest way to start making shorts right now. If you've been on social media lately, you've probably seen these Roblox rant videos. Almost all of the channels in this segment started just a few months ago and are already getting millions of views a month by uploading Roblox rants. And the idea is really simple. They talk about whatever is trending right now and it goes viral. The video I showed you got 10 million views. All they did was talk about an understandable situation. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can get into this segment and start making Roblox shorts without your face. And the best part? Most of the work can be done with AI using vsub.io. I'll show you how to first create one manually in CapCut, add memes, emojis, pitch, speed changes, hooks, and subtitles. Then I'll show you how to do it automatically with vsub.io. Import the script, and it's ready to go. Now we'll do it step by step. Step 1. Recording footage. This step is incredibly simple. In short, all you need to do is sit down, play some Roblox, and record your screen while you're at it. You literally only need to play for a few minutes, and you'll have enough footage for multiple videos. Step 2. Finding a viral topic and writing a script. As I mentioned earlier, the key to making these videos go viral is talking about trending topics. But instead of doing this manually, I've prepared something that makes the process 10 times easier. All you have to do is enter a prompt and ask it for a list of 10 ideas for your next video. It's programmed to suggest only trending topics in the exact style that goes viral. Next, you simply enter a quick sentence specifying which idea you chose and ask it to generate a full script. Since the ChatGPT has analyzed dozens of viral scripts, it automatically writes in the same fast-paced, catchy style as those videos using words like bro and boom that resonate with viewers. Now, let's move on to step 3. Adding voice to your video. To create a voiceover, you'll need a text-to-speech software. I personally recommend ElevenLabs, as it provides the voices used in many viral videos. Once you're there, go to the text-to-speech tool and select Adam as your voice. Then, copy the script from ChatGPT and paste it into the text box in ElevenLabs. If you want, you can experiment with the settings to adjust tone and emotion. For now, I'll leave it as is and click Generate. Once you're happy with the result, all that's left to do is click the download button in the bottom right corner, and your voiceover is ready. Now, let's move on to step 4. Editing. I personally use CapCut for editing, but feel free to use any editing software you're comfortable with. Create a new project. Start by opening CapCut and creating a new project. Import your footage, bring in your gameplay recording, and add it to the timeline. Then, make sure to resize the video to a vertical shorts format. Add the voiceover. Import your voiceover, and drag it onto the timeline, syncing it with your gameplay footage. Adjust the gameplay size. Zoom in or reposition the gameplay so that the most important elements are clearly visible. Speed and pitch adjustments. Go to the speed section, and slightly increase the gameplay speed to make it feel more dynamic. Then, select the voiceover, go back to speed, and enable change audio pitch. Adjust the speed and pitch until the voice sounds natural but engaging. You can also cut different sections of the audio and individually tweak their speed and pitch to match the energy you want. Add subtitles. Next, move to the subtitles section. Add captions for every line of dialogue or key moment. Subtitles not only make your video more accessible, but they also increase viewer engagement, especially in shorts where many watch without sound. Enhance with text and emojis. For some parts of the video, insert fun text overlays or emojis to emphasize reactions, jokes, or important points. This keeps the video visually engaging and helps it stand out. Final review. Go through the timeline carefully, make sure everything is synced properly, and check for pacing. Trim any unnecessary parts so the video remains fast-paced and entertaining. Once all these steps are done, your Roblox short is ready to go. This method may seem detailed, but following it ensures that your shorts look professional, polished, and are highly likely to catch viewers' attention and go viral.
Bro, why does every nap feel like you just time traveled through a black hole?
Like I close my eyes at
3 p.m. and wake up in a different season. I swear I'm just like, till rest my eyes for 10 minutes.
boom.
I wake up drenched in sweat, phone at 2%, sun gone, and my soul completely rebooted.
You ever wake up from a nap and forget your own name?
Like I'm sitting there trying to remember what year it is, and somehow the room looks different.
My blanket's on the floor.
There's a weird taste in my mouth. I check my phone.
Now you can also create viral Roblox rant videos using vsub.io. This platform makes the process fast, simple, and efficient. Take the script you generated from ChatGPT and upload it to vsub. Generate your video. The tool automatically syncs the voiceover, adds subtitles, and formats the video for shorts. Much of the tedious editing work is automated, so you can focus on creating content and generating new ideas. It's a great way to practice making viral Roblox shorts efficiently, while still learning all the key elements of editing, pacing, and storytelling. Now click on Roblox Rant. Then click on Import Script, and paste your ChatGPT generated script, and select the voice in the voice section. Select a voice like Adam for your narration, then click Import. Now the script will automatically be split into separate sentences. You can customize each one individually by assigning a speaker or voice, adjusting the speed and pitch of the voice, adding sound effects, adding subtitles or emojis. This allows your video to sound natural and engaging, capturing your viewers' attention. Now, go to the settings section to fine-tune the overall sound. Select the sound you want, write its name if needed, set the speed to 150, volume to 100, and pitch to 140, then click Save. Once everything is ready, click Create Video. Now let's move on to the voice changer section. Here we can change the voice of each word individually. For example, make the sound of a word faster or slower to make the video funnier. But if you want the entire video to be read with a different voice, you need to select it from the voice settings section before entering the text. Now we come to the next section, Captions. This section is for setting subtitles. Here we can change the color, size, and placement of the text for each sentence. For example, we can show important or emotional sentences in a brighter color or larger size so that the viewer's eye is attracted to them faster. We can even choose a specific style for each section. For example, use yellow for funny sentences and white or blue for serious sentences. This will make our video look much more professional and lively, just like viral videos on Instagram and YouTube. Now in the layout section, you can add photos, videos, or GIFs to each part of the text. This feature makes your content more lively, engaging, and realistic. For example, when you are talking about a funny scene, just add a funny GIF to get the audience more involved. With the padding top option, you can also adjust the distance from the top of the image or video to make the video design look accurate and neat. Now in the content section, if you click on any sentence or even any word in the script, you can make settings specific to that section. For example, you can activate the voice changer to make the voice different or funny, add a sound effect to make each sentence have its own feel, and in the media section, you can add photo, GIFs, or videos to make the scenes more lively and interesting. There is even a display text section where you can adjust the color, size, and appearance of the text. I do all of this carefully on the words of the script to make the video look really professional and attractive. And finally, if you want, you can use the add hook option and add anything you like to the beginning of the video. For example, an exciting sentence to attract the viewer's attention. Now we can add background music to the video to make the atmosphere of the video more lively and exciting. Just choose a song from the background music section or upload our own music. There is also a very important section in the tools section, which is logo. Here you can add your brand or channel logo to the video and adjust its position precisely. For example, you can choose to have the logo on the top left, bottom right, or even in the middle of the screen. You can also change the distance of the logo from the edges with the padding X and padding Y options. Also, adjust the size of the logo and its transparency with the size and opacity options to perfectly match the style of your video. Well friends, our video is ready. Together we saw how we can create an awesome Roblox rant, from setting the sound and effects to photos, GIFs, music, and logo. Thank you so much for sticking with us until the end of this video. Be sure not to miss the next videos and follow the channel so we can create more cool things together. Until the next video.
If I was the CEO of Roblox, listen up. This is what's happening. Rule number 1, Robux are now free.
Everyone gets 10,000 Robux deposited into their account every single Monday. Go crazy!
Buy everything. We print the money now.
Rule number 2, I'm installing a new giant no-lag zone over every popular server.
Your ping will never exceed 10 minutes even if your Wi-Fi is powered by a potato.
Enjoy buttery smooth gameplay.
Rule number 3, all limited edition, rare, and
Overpriced.
items from the past decade are being re-released for just 1 Robux each for a 24-hour flash sale.
Yes, even the Dominus!
Rule number 4, we're adding a drama button to every game.
Press it to instantly teleport to the most chaotic, funny, or argument-filled part of the server.
No more boring lobbies.
Rule number 5, any developer that makes a game that genuinely makes me laugh out loud gets a prize.
That prize?
They get to design the next official Roblox logo and a million Robux, obviously.
Rule number 6, the oof sound is back.
But it's now customizable.
You can set your deck sound to anything you want. A sad trombone, a cat noise, or your mom shouting.
Rule number 7, every player that has been on Roblox for more than 5 years gets a legendary founder badge and a free golden glowing version of their favorite